And while the investigation continues, we wanted to know what type of aircraft Sweet was flying. The FAA's report shows the plane was a Jodel F-12 fixed-wing single-engine aircraft. It's designed for versatile personal and recreational flying. Most models are two-seaters. It's what's known as an experimental aircraft.
It was an experimental plane that somebody built in their garage, and he ended up with it.
Steve Patton is a local aviator. He says these types of experimental airplanes are risky.
You don't know what you get when you fly with an experimental airplane. There's no real rules that people have to go by. You get with a certificated airplane, the FAA is all over the design, and they're going, yeah, you can do it this way, but you can't do it this way. An experimental, you can do anything you want to do.
Despite all that, Patton says Sweet was an exceptional pilot.
He knew a lot about airplanes. He could build anything. He could fix anything. Everybody's shocked. We still don't understand it. And I personally feel like there was some kind of failure that his pilot skills couldn't overcome that caused that plane to crash.